Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Sort of an interesting one, guys. FRSX, okay? So we had an alert from RAI at 129. A little bit choppy on the way up, but before it pulled back all the way, this got up to 164. So from 129, that is a tremendous, tremendous run. What's interesting about this one is that, of course, we were all in the room trading and all eyes were on the RVSN, okay? Hopefully this changes. Come on, RVSN. So why am I bringing up RVSN when I'm talking about FRSX? The reason being, and look at this, I mean, what a move. I mean, this is up 72% right now, and it's had a tremendous run. Had some news here. The reason I bring up, or I'm showing you our RVSN, is that FRSX has 10% of RVSN. So it's not going to have as dramatic a move, percentage-wise as this one, but certainly it had a great move today, and our AI picked it up. All right, guys, want to get back into the room. Have a great evening. We'll see you.